If you're seeing oil leak around the oil filter area, it could be the oil ring that's inside of the oil filter housing or the oil pressure sending unit. This video was taken when I was actually working to replace the alternator, but noticed a small leak around the oil pressure sending unit. For this job, you do not have to remove the belt or the oil cooler line as shown in the video. I got the replacement part from O'Reilly's for about 15 bucks, but the biggest challenge you may face is finding a 26 millimeter deep socket for this job. After checking nearly 10 stores nearby, I ended up having to order one from Amazon for about 8 bucks. Also, when you remove the oil pressure sending unit, you will get probably 2-3 spoons of oil coming out. So be sure to have some paper towel ready to catch them. Afterwards, clean the surrounding area thoroughly so that if there's any leak in the future, it's easier to detect the source.
So I was working to replace the alternator, and I just installed a new one there. That was a lot of work, but while I was at it, I noticed some oil leak around the oil pressure switch there. So just swapped it out. Just noticed the replacement part that I bought from O'Reilly's, this one here. It came with the that white, is it Teflon tape? That thin tape that prevents the leak. It was wrapped. This one I don't see anything that was wrapped in there, and I can see some oil leak happening around, probably through these points where it screws in. So the other problem I had was this one required a 26 millimeter deep socket, and that's not one of the standard sizes, so I had to order one. I couldn't find it anywhere in the local store. The Lowe's had a short one, but that wouldn't fit. So I had to order one from Amazon. I think I paid a little bit less than $8, and it was a 2-day delivery. So definitely you'll need a deep socket for that. And when you take that out, it doesn't take much pressure to unscrew this, but you gotta get a little bit of oil, probably, maybe like 5 tablespoon worth. So it's not a lot, but you gotta get some oil. So prepare some rags, like I did here. I still got a little bit of oil left there, so I gotta clean that up. And as far as how to get there, you'll have to pop off, it's just the plastic clips you'll have to pop off here. I got it off because I'm working on the alternator. I also have the belt removed. Based on the clearance, I don't think you have to remove the belt. Okay. Oh, and by the way, you just have to unclip this. And to do that, you just push in here while pulling out. And be careful. As you can see here, this outer shield is kind of broken. So don't yank it out too hard. Don't yank it from here, okay? So you want to press down on this tab here, and while pulling on this body, okay? And it doesn't take much pressure to do that.